Alright, let's start with that piece of the solo in one. So you have two parts of that bar, and the other part is... So, first bit, when I want to practice with the metronome with this, basically 2 notes per beat for everything. So I'll just play this a few times. So it sounds something like this. Just make sure when you're doing your pull-offs, you have whatever you're pulling off to down in advance. Don't do any of this walking backwards stuff. Got to get that finger down you're going to pull off to. So, and make sure you're not holding the guitar like this. You know, turn your wrist so your fingers are more, or, you know, this part is more flat towards the ground instead of having it off at an angle. So in the next part, very important that you get the pull-offs down right. So you don't want to do this, because you can barely even hear the notes at that point. You also want to make sure that you're not using your wrist to do the pull-offs either. You want it all on the fingers. So with the metronome, it would sound like this. Whoops. So a little bit faster, you'd have... And the other part... And then eventually... So it's definitely a good speed drill there. Just got to make sure the technique's proper. So, speaking of pull-offs, we got our hammer-on pull-off work. So here's the first thing we did. So your index finger should stay down the whole time on this one. So you got your pick, hammer, pick, pull, pick, hammer, pick, pull, pick, hammer, pick, pull, pick, hammer, pick, pull. And the other one, doing the same thing. So you get your pick, hammer, pick, pull, 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 pick, hammer, pick, pull. And I find that as you're going down to the lower strings, it's extra important to make sure that your wrist is proper, set properly, because like, as soon as you get here, it gets really, it just feels weird. So definitely get those fingers up on the tips so you can get those pull-offs well. Alright, well, if you have any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.